whatever you wanna be. So I told myself, I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes thinking.
Hello everyone, my name is Rachel, also known as Love Queen Ray, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my most natural, everyday eyebrow look. It's a very minimal look, but it does so much to the everyday appearance. First, let me go ahead and fix this screen. All right, and let's get started. First things first is you're gonna need a spoolie. I believe that's what that's called. I bought an eyebrow pencil that has both the spoolie and the eyebrow pencil on it. It's the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm a millennial, so it did take me a while to get with the upward stroke for the eyebrows, but once I started doing it, I love the look because it makes your eyebrows look just that much more natural. So what I do to start is I just start brushing up just to get all the hairs in order. As you can see, I don't have that much hair to work with, so I do have to do a little bit more brushing than normal because I just don't have that much hair to work with. Now, to keep those hairs in order, I go ahead and use the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. I take a little bit of that. I put it at the edge of the spoolie. And when you are putting it at the edge of the spoolie, you want to make sure you're just dipping it in there just a little bit. You do not want to take too much because this gel goes a long way. Just a little bit goes a long way. I even put too much on my spoolie there, as you can see, but you definitely don't want to put too much on there. Just a little bit will go a long way. Now, what you're going to do is just do the same strokes that you were doing with the brush early on, but this is just going to lock the hair in place.
Like I gotta pay to breathe. Why are we romanticizing, working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? You tell me think about the future, yeah, but what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that, but that's been where my mind, 'cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill.
So now what you want to do is take your eyebrow pencil and draw pretty much the outline of your eyebrow, and you want it to kind of follow the flow of your eyebrow. You don't want to go too drastic and start drawing something that is not the shape of your eyebrow.
Makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we are.
Now what I'm going to start doing is making upward strokes with my brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows a little bit more and give it more fullness. I'm going to keep the direction of the strokes the same, where I'm just brushing, pretty much stroking them upwards the same way I was doing my spoolie. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. And you always want to remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Now, I don't want them to have different parents now, you know? But they are sisters, not twins, which means they do not have to be identical. They will not be identical, okay? Not that you don't want them to be identical, it's just they won't. But you want to just try to get them as best as possible. So we're going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. And, you know, don't go too dark, you know. We keeping it real cute, real light. Because this is a look to, you know, this isn't a full makeup look. This is I need to run to the grocery store and I don't want to look like I just rolled out of bed look. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and pretty much soften my pencil strokes, okay, and smooth out the top so that the top, all of the hairs are uniformed, okay, and pretty much going in order, because you just don't want to have them hairs sticking up like that. You kind of want to uniform them. So as you can see, I'm going to pass the spoolie at the top and pretty much shape the eyebrow to how I want it to look, because I'm done with the hairs that are sticking up. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and just soften the look, and really I'm done. But because I have imperfections, because I haven't gotten my eyebrows waxed in so long, this is what I will typically do. Usually I would have concealer that matches my shade, but just for the sake of the video, I am going to be using foundation. This is the brush that I use, which is also my concealer brush. But I'm going to go ahead and take that foundation / supposed to be concealer, and I'm going to pretty much dip a little bit of it and put it under my eyebrow. Okay, now when I start the under eyebrow process, and I am using the Lancome foundation, which is not even my shade, so I don't even know why I'm using it. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to use the foundation, and I'm going to pretty much start all the way at the edge, a little bit past the edge of my eyebrow where it starts, and past the pencil all the way towards the edge to pretty much clean up all of my imperfections under there. Hint, hint, conceal all of my imperfections, which are little hairs that haven't been plucked or waxed. At that point, I will do that for the bottom, and I will do that for the top, until it's pretty much perfect. But let's see how it comes out at the end.
Just the way things are. We need change, but we chase the pounds and pens, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody tell me. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. Money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. Days like go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up.
Now what I'm going to do is either grab a brush, or you can use a sponge to blend in that foundation very lightly. And you want to blend it in really well, because obviously you don't want to be walking around with unblended foundation above your eyebrows or concealer above your eyebrows. So just blend it in real well. Again, we are going for a natural look, so you want to make sure that it is blended. But as you can see, the eyebrows are eyebrowing. I don't have on a full face of makeup. I can go outside and not look homeless or a naked mole rat. What do you guys think? Leave comments below to tell me what you guys think about this look. I just love it. It is so adorable and so easy to do. Well, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money